Hello friends and welcome back to all of you to my English YouTube channel. As we know that we have already started a lesson Zone of Art, isn't it? Couple of videos we have already uploaded. Now today we are going to make an end of this lesson, isn't it? Zone of Art, which is written by George Bernard Shaw. Now there is an interesting lesson. It tells us the more information about the war which was fought between England and France, isn't it? The year we have mentioned here is a 1429. It is the year, and that was important thing for both the nation. Now, as we have discussed, but once again a short overlook about the characters of this lesson. Characters Robert, isn't it? The characters, those which came in front of us through this lesson, they are Robert. He was a captain. Stewart, he is known as an attendant of Robert. Third is John, the most important character, and he was a brave warrior. Polanyi, he was known as a guard, and Dauphin, okay, somewhere in Chinon, and he was known as a son of the king. Once again, a passive character of our lesson. Like, many more things we have discussed about the lesson. She was a girl, her name was Joan. Now Joan was interested, right, and she wanted to go to Chinon. She wanted to take the help of Dauphin, isn't it? Somewhere she was ready to stop the aggression and to stop the power as well as the control of British people or British soldiers. And therefore, for that purpose, she came once, twice in front of Robert. She was assuring herself, maybe not in front of Robert, but Robert, he was not able to understand and he did not permit her very immediately. Like, what your name she had taken. For example, Polanyi, she had taken a name. Yes, immediately as she took the name, the people he started to call and he did the proper investigation of that same girl who was Joan. Now, we were talking about, yes, on page number 31. Now, Polanyi, as he came and he was talking with Robert, right, many things they have discussed about Joan. Now, one more thing, Polanyi, he had mentioned that, and it is the most important, is don't think about the miracles. Right, as Robert, he mentioned that we are waiting for miracles. That time, Polanyi, he said that don't wait for miracles. Actually, miracle is here with us in form of Joan. Just give her a chance. Surely, she has a power. She can do something better for our nation. On page number 31. Yes, the dialogue of Polanyi. I used to think so. I am not sure now. There is something about her. I think the girl herself is a bit of a miracle. Isn't it? You are talking about miracle, Mr. Robert, but I think we have a miracle with us, a alive miracle, isn't it? And if we chance her or if we permit her, surely a miracle and a magic thing that will come in front of us. Anyhow, this is our last chance. Let us see what she can do. Like, many people we have lost, many soldiers have already sacrificed their lives on the battlefield. Alright, take a chance, and this is the last chance to save and to survive the land of our nation, that is France. And therefore, why should we wait? Let us take a chance and let us see what the girl she can do. Now Robert, he was not able to listen. Again, he was hesitating. Again, there was a doubt in his mind about that girl, and once again he tried to assure himself, you really think that, isn't it? You are believing 100% in the character Joan, are you? Or do you think that the girl is so much aggressive and brave that she can do the work? Polanyi, turning, is there anything else left for us to think? Let us take a chance. Her words have put fire into me. Isn't it? We don't have, all the options are already ended, or all the options are ended elsewhere. But this is the last option that we have, and the girl has a power. Right? She is not only a brave girl, but by using her speech, she had united all the people. She had put fire into all soldiers, and therefore we have a last chance, and we should grab the chance. That was the theme yes, Polanyi again and again putting in front of Robert. Yes, is there anything else left for us to think? आता आपल्याकडे जास्त विचार करण्यासारखं काही शिल्लक आहे का? काहीच नाही. Therefore, let us take a chance. आणि मला वाटतं एक संधी आपण या मुलीच्या रूपामध्ये घेतली पाहिजे आणि तिला एक चान्स दिला पाहिजे. Her words have put fire into me. Alright, her words have power and they put fire into me. Myself, I am already motivated. Myself, I am already accelerated. And yes, by itself, I am ready to fight. I am ready to go with her. Just we are waiting for your order. Giving up, Robert, his order view. You are as mad. You are as mad as she is, isn't it? Now you look mad like the small girl Joe. Alright, means he was not ready and he was still not angry to send the girl Joel to Dauphin. Yes, somewhere in Chinon. Therefore, one more thing he used as a compliment for the Polanyi, and Robert said that you are as mad as she is. जशी ती मुलगी थोडीशी मोठी वाटते तसा मोठेपणा तू देखील करतो असं मला वाटतं. Polanyi obstinately, we want a few mad people now. See where the same ones have landed us. Alright, we have lost many people and now there is a need of mad people in our army. Alright, we know the madness, isn't it? Madness, or many mad people were there because of that. The history, it is created and the history came in front of the lesson, or history came in front of us a lesson of the warriors and the brave people. अनेक मूर्ख किंवा अनेक वेडे लोक होऊन गेले जे वेडे लोकांनी इतिहास घडवला आणि तेच वेडे लोक आज ब्रेव कॅरेक्टर्स म्हणून आपल्या लेसन मध्ये आले. मीन्स वी हॅव टू लर्न लेसन फ्रॉम दॅट मॅड पीपल. नो प्रॉब्लेम, दो शी इज अ मॅड बट अ मॅड गर्ल हॅज द प्रॉपर गट्स. She is a caliber girl. She has a power, and because of her bravery, we can do something different. Yes, the people will read us for thousands of years in future. Robert, I feel like a fool. Still, if you feel sure, like no, Robert, somewhere he started to convince his mind. Isn't it? Many people came in front of me. The girls, he came twice or thrice in front of me, and now myself, I feel like that I am a full person of this cabin or of this office. Do you feel the same, Polanyi? I feel sure enough to take her to Chinon unless you stop me. Isn't it? I don't think anymore. But thing is that I have decided, and I think that I have to take the girl at Chinon and I have to start my mission. But your permission is the most important. Unless your permission, right, we can't start our mission. Isn't it? Unless, if you don't permit us, surely the mission will be not started. Robert, once again, do you think I ought to have another talk with her? मी तिच्याबरोबर दुसऱ्यांदा बोललं पाहिजे का असा क्वेश्चन रॉबर्ट यस पोलंगीला विचारतात. यस मी परत एकदा तिच्याबरोबर हे मॅटर डिस्कस करावं का किंवा तिच्याबरोबर बोलूया का. Polanyi going to the windows. Yes, John, come up. Now this time Polanyi, he didn't wait. Immediately he leaves his place. Once again stand beside the window and requested or ordered to the John, come up and stand here in front of Robert. Now as John enters, Polanyi gravely, be seated, John. Now 1,000 times we are asking this man, but the man is not able to listen. The man is not ready to permit us, and therefore this time he became somehow serious, and very seriously, yes, he said to Joe, take a chair and sit here. Robert, what is your name? Alright, now this is the question, very polite question or silently asked question by Robert to John, and John answered, they always call me Jenny in Lorraine. Alright, they always call me Jenny in Lorraine. Here in France, I am John, and the soldiers call me Maid. Alright, here somewhere people they call me Jenny in Lorraine. Some people in France they call me John, and the soldiers of our army they call me Maid. Now here Maid means a bachelor girl or unmarried girl. काही लोक मला जोन बोलतात, काही लोक मला मेड बोलतात किंवा काही लोक मला जस्ट जेनी या नावाने देखील हाक मारतात. नाउ रॉबर्ट्स सेकंड क्वेश्चन, हाऊ ओल्ड आर यू? आन्सर ऑफ जोन, 17. सो दे टेल मी, इट माइट बी 19, I don't remember. Actually, according calculation, my age is 17 years. But people tell me, or my parents they tell me that you are a girl of 19 years old. Actually, I don't remember, or I don't know exactly whether it is 17 or 19, but I am here. Robot, I suppose you think raising a siege is as easy as chasing a cow out of a meadow. Right. Now, Robert, he started to investigate, and he wanted to examine John just by using his idea or by using his authority. Indeed. What do you think? The siege of British people, okay, or to release the siege of British people, is it as easy as to throw a cow from the meadow? म्हणजे एखाद्या शेतामध्ये किंवा एखाद्या पुराणामध्ये एखादी गाय चरत आहे, त्या गायीला हाकलून लावणं हे इतकं सोपं आहे जितकं सोपं तुला हे वाटतंय का की फ्रान्स नेशनला जो ब्रिटिशांचा वेढा पडलाय तो वेढा तू इतक्या सहजासहजी उचलून फेकशील का किंवा त्यांना परतून लावशील का? इट इज नॉट ॲज इझी ॲज टू थ्रो अ काऊ आउट ऑफ विडो. व्हॉट डू यू थिंक? यू थिंक सोल्जरिंग इज एनीबडीज जॉब? Interesting question. What do you think? Is the soldiering is a job of common people or very simple people? बरोबर. सैनिक म्हणून काम करणं किंवा सैनिकांसारखं शौर्य दाखवणं हे खूप सहज किंवा साधं सोपं सिंपल काम तुला वाटतंय? John, I don't think it can be very difficult if God is on our side. Isn't it? You are talking about soldiering, but I think nothing is impossible in this world when you are working wisely and when you are with the company of God, or when God favors you, or when the God is on your side. जर आपण एखादं चांगलं काम करतोय बरोबर आणि आपल्याला जस्ट त्या चांगल्या कामामध्ये जर परमेश्वराचा जर सपोर्ट असेल, परमेश्वराची साथ असेल, तर कुठलीही गोष्ट अशक्य नाही. आपण देखील घाबरून जायला नको. रॉबर्ट ग्रेवली, have you ever seen English soldiers fighting? And then second or third question, again he wanted to examine the character John, that he wanted to see and he wanted to satisfy himself how much brave the girl is. ही मुलगी किती शूरवीर आहे हे बघण्याचा तो प्रयत्न करतो आणि परत एकदा प्रश्न विचारतो, have you ever seen that English soldiers they are fighting? बरोबर. इंग्लिश सोल्जरला कधी फायटिंग करताना बघितलं? ते कसे ब्रेवली किती ॲग्रेसिव्ह येतात, एखाद्या लाईट प्रमाणे ते येतात, पटकन अटॅक करतात आणि निघून जातात. येस, असा त्यांचा स्पीड. येस, त्यांना कधी तू फायटिंग करताना बघितलं? Once again the same question, have you ever seen English soldiers fighting? Have you ever seen them plundering, burning, turning the countryside into a desert? Actually they came like a lightning. Yes, they hit like a bomb and they made the countryside into desert. ओके, म्हणजे ज्या ठिकाणी लोक वस्ती आहेत त्या ठिकाणी ते पटकन येतात, अटॅक देखील करतात आणि संपूर्ण लोक वस्ती बरोबर ज्या ठिकाणी लोक राहतात संपूर्ण लोक वस्ती डेझर्ट एखाद्या वाळवंटाप्रमाणे ते करून जातात. येस, ही त्यांची टेंडन्सी किंवा ही त्यांची एक ताकद, ही ताकद आपण कधी बघितली का? हॅव यू हर्ड नो टेल्स ऑफ देअर प्रिन्स हू इज द डेव्हिल हिमसेल्फ ऑर ऑफ इंग्लिश किंग्स फादर? Like the prince of the British nation, he is known as he himself is known as a devil person. He is much cruel than others, and his father is also like that man. John, you do not understand, squire. Our soldiers are always beaten because they are fighting only to save their skins. Indeed. Now this is known as the experience, or this is known as the logic. Okay. We also don't know whether she is of 16 or whether she is of 17 or 19. But at that small age, her thinking it was so much high, and her thinking has already challenged the questions of Robert. Indeed. Means soldiering is not a job of common people. The answers she had given, but she wanted to know, or she had explained, our soldiers are always beaten because they are fighting to save their skins. स्वतःचा जीव वाचवण्यासाठी जे लढतात ते सोल्जर कधीच नसतात, किंवा स्वतःचे प्राण किंवा स्वतःची स्किन वाचवण्यासाठी जे लढतात त्यांना आपण सोल्जर कधीही म्हणू शकत नाही. आणि आपल्या सैनिकांचं हरण्याचं किंवा मरण्याचं कारण तेच काय, जे जातात ते फक्त मरण्यासाठी जातात आणि म्हणून ते मरतात. बरोबर. अँड दॅट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग दॅट आय हॅव ऑब्झर्व्ड अमॉंग आवर सोल्जर और इन आवर प्लाटून. And the shortest way to save your skin is to run away. And how did the French soldier they saved their skin? Time to time they had run away from the battlefield, and and that was the reason they were known as, or somewhere history tells us, they were called as a defeated people from the French army. And therefore, this is the wrong way, or this is known as the policy to run away from the battlefield, and time to time they used to run away. Because of that, we are defeated so many times from the British. But I will teach them all to fight for France. Isn't it? Don't think about yourself. Like, nation is the first and we are at the second place. Isn't it? We are Indian. India is first, and later our place or our status it comes after the nation. And therefore, I have already taught them a lesson. Yes, France is first and we are later. The lesson they have learned very properly. Then they will drive the soldiers before them like a sheep. You and Polly will live to see the day when there will not be a single English soldier on the soil of France. ओके, सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा लेसन कुठला शिकवलाय तर सगळ्यात अगोदर देश आणि नंतर येतो आपण किंवा आपलं स्टेटस 2 नंबरला. म्हणजे देश जर व्यवस्थित असेल, देश जर वाचला तरच आपल्याला किंमत आहे, तरच आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू आहे. ही गोष्ट मी त्यांना शिकवली आणि त्यांच्यामध्ये आमूलाग्र बदल घडत गेले. Now you have to order us by using that same coward soldier. We are going to attack and we are going to throw all the English soldiers from the soil of France nation, and surely see also come with that. Very soon you will not find a single soldier or single British soldier on the soil of France. Robert to Polanyi, this may all be nonsense, Polly, but the troops might just be inspired by it, though nothing that we say seems to put any fire into them. Like, somewhere it was our mistake. We have asked our soldier, enemy has arrived and we have to fight against enemy. But somewhere we have forgotten to teach them a lesson that nation first and we are later. The same lesson it is taught by John. Yes, it is a reminder, or that is known as a thing. Yes, he remembered which came in his mind that we have forgotten, and it is already taught by John. We say seems to put any fire into them. Even the dolphin might believe it, and if she can put some fight into him, she can put into anybody. Isn't it? Same energy which she had already installed in the minds of France soldier, if the same energy, if she will install in the mind of Dolphin, surely, yes, we will survive, and no soldier from British, it will remain on the land of France. That was the discussion. Now Robert again he turned to Joan and he said to her, now you listen to me and don't cut in before. Now listen to me very carefully, but don't cut my sentences in between. आता मी बोलतो, मध्ये तू बोलणार नाही, मध्ये माझं वाक्य कुठेही तू करणार नाही. That was the order at first he had given. Your orders are that you are to go to Chinon under the escort of this gentleman and 3 of his friends. Now finally somewhere he agreed, and finally he was ready to permit to the girl. He turned his face, he was facing to John. Don't cut my sentence in between, and your order is you are permitted to save the land and the people of France. That was the order. Once again listen the order. Your orders are that you are to go to Chinon under the escort of this gentleman and 3 of his friends. With the help of, or with the company of Polanyi, with the help of these 3 people, you have to start your journey and you have to directly go to Chinon, just to survive the person whose name is Dauphin. Joan, radiant, clasping her hands, oh, thank you, Squire. Now this time, isn't it? Means somewhere she is going to put her life into danger, but in that condition, she was so much happy. Okay, she started to clasping her hand, she started to clap her hand, and very happily she said, thank you, Squire, thank you very much for the permission. Polanyi, how is she to get into the royal presence? Isn't it? Now, how the girl, one who is totally unknown, how she will stand in front of Dauphin, in front of the royal presence? Robert, I don't know. How did she get into my presence? I will send her to Chinon, and she can say I sent her. Now, in front of Dauphin, you have to prove your identity that you are friend of Dauphin, or you are the person from the France. दॅट वॉज अ क्वेश्चन इन फ्रंट ऑफ पोलंगी. जर डॉल्फिन समोर गेलं तर त्याला स्वतःची ओळख कशी पटवून देणार ही मुलगी. तेव्हा रॉबर्ट बोलतात की नाही, माझ्यासमोर जसं तुम्ही आले, मला तसं तुम्ही म्हणजे बनवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे, तशीच एक गोष्ट किंवा तेच एक ॲक्शन तुम्हाला डॉल्फिन समोर देखील करायची. म्हणजे इन फ्रंट ऑफ डॉल्फिन और इन फ्रंट ऑफ रॉयल प्रेझेन्स यू हॅव टू प्रूव्ह दॅट यू आर फ्रेंड्स और यू आर फ्रेंड ऑफ द फ्रान्स नेशन. I don't know how did she get into my presence. I will send her to Chinon and she can say I sent her. Then let come what may, I can do no more. हार्डली किंवा तिला जर थोडासा प्रॉब्लेम आला तर तिने पटकन सांगावं की मला परमिशन दिलं रॉबर्टनं, मी आले फ्रान्सवरनं. येस, एवढं जरी तिने सांगितलं तर तिचं काम होऊ शकते, परंतु त्याच्या पलीकडे मी जास्त बोलू शकत नाही. जोन अँड द ड्रेस. आय मे हॅव अ सोल्जर्स ड्रेस स्क्वायर. And about the dress, but myself, as she promised, yes, as the lesson was began, she had also kept the promise, and she once again assured that, or promised that, she is going to use the dress of the soldier. Robert, take what you please, I wash my hands off. Alright, you are totally arrogant. You are showing so much bravery, or you are showing us that you are more brave girl than the others. Therefore, from this matter, I am going to take my hands off. Now, everything I have already given on your shoulder, the whole responsibility of our nation, it has already given on your shoulder. Yes, carry on and do whatever you want. That is correct. Joan, wildly excited by her success, come Polly, she dashes on. Horse, she has got the dress, she had somewhere adjusted, and the people she had already adjusted, and with a very happy manner or very happily she said bye bye, and very dashing, with a very dashing manner she came out and said, come Polongi, join with us, let us go to Chinon. Robert shaking Polongi's hand, goodbye old man, I am taking a big chance. Few other men would have not done it, but as you say, there is something about her. Polongi, yes, there is something about her. Now the final dialogue, as she had gone from that cabin, the two people remained, yes, in the final scenery of the same lesson, Robert and Polongi. Now Robert, he took and he shook the hand of Polongi and he said that, you old man, this is the last chance. Many people haven't done the same chance you have got right present here. Yes, and this is the last chance. Do whatever you want, but as you say, there is something about her. तुझ्यामुळे त्या मुलीला एक चान्स मी देतो का, कारण त्या मुलीमध्ये काहीतरी आहे, बरोबर, त्या मुलीमध्ये काहीतरी स्पार्क आहे, काहीतरी स्पिरिट आहे, आणि त्याच्यामुळेच हा चान्स मी तुम्हाला देतो. यस, गुड बाय. अँड ही शेक द हँड ऑफ पोलंगी. पोलंगी, यस, there is something about her. You don't know what is there, but something is there, isn't it? Yes, something is there in the girl or in her character, and that small something surely it will try to save or survive the total land of France. That is a lesson written by George Bernard Shaw. Alright, now as the unit number 4 that will get over, once again we will revise the total unit with the help of question and answer. Hope you have understood the lesson, but don't keep watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.